guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shrestha and you're watching the Buried Butterfly. Please excuse my gigantic forehead. I know it's huge than my dreams, but trust me, I had nothing to do with my hairstyle, so I just did a messy bun. Please deal with it, okay? Coming back to my video topic, it's all about how to style neutral shades. Neutral colors are my favorites. Like, I love different colors like red, yellow, other colors, but trust me, neutral shades are something which attract me like hell. Okay, so you might not like neutral outfits, but trust me, as a fashion lover, I'm telling you, it will change your fashion game instantly. So before jumping to the video, I'm gonna tell you what are the neutral colors basically, so stay tuned. I'm going to share you colored chart on the screen right now. As you can see, these are colored chart for neutral shades, especially from white to ivory to beige to olive to black. These are all the neutral shades I crave for every time. As you can see, I'm wearing a neutral outfit from this light sky blue shirt to cream sleeveless top. This is overall a neutral outfit. I love everything in neutral, be it jewelry, be it shoes, be it accessories, be it clothes. I'm a fanatic. You can call me a neutral shades fanatic, neutral fanatic, whatever you want, but I'm a fanatic. Coming back to the color chart, so there are some other neutral shades which go with these neutral shades as contrast and toner shades, and I'm going to share you the same theory in this video. It was a kind of theory class and I will show you the practical stuff now. So without wasting any more time, keep on watching the video. When I think of neutral shades, the first color that comes in my mind first, that is white color. And here in look 1, I'm wearing an off-white t-shirt dress, and with that I'm wearing a white jeans, which I don't like that much. And to give it a more highlighted look, I'm wearing two silver jewelries. I think it's going with the look perfectly, and the silver watch, which is my must-watch accessory. In look 2, I just changed the upper wala portion and I'm wearing a ash colored t-shirt, and I did a knot in the front. As you can see, I love doing knots, and with that I'm wearing a silver hoops and the watch as usual. I told you earlier that I don't like wearing these white jeans because of its fitting. It doesn't fit me properly. It has a weird shape. I don't know why they made it, but it is what it is, and I have only one white jeans, so I have to wear this. But please buy a good white jeans. In the third look of this neutral game, I am layering a light sky blue shirt of my Babas on the top of this t-shirt. As you can see, it looks effortlessly stylish and classy at the same time. And you can wear this shirt you usually wear. And here I am folding the sleeves, and yeah, it is done. Here I'm wearing a white off-shoulder top. I went totally white on white, and to give it a more color, I'm wearing this black sleeveless top. And yeah, it is done. It is one of my favorite looks from this video, and I think it is giving the outfit a totally contrasted look. In the look 5, I went very simple. Here I'm wearing this white straight kurti with a white cigarette pant, and trust me, it is one of my favorite neutral Indian wears. Here I changed the color from white to this olive, dark olive and light olive, and to make myself fit in this pant I am adding this belt, otherwise I would feel embarrassed. And to give it a more color and a stylish look, I am adding this golden hoops and this golden finger rings, which I got from Club Factory. And yeah, this is the overall look. I literally love this pant. This is very chic, classy. The look 7 is another favorite of mine from this video. Here I did some DIY. I am wearing this cream sleeveless top and a scarf on the top of it, and I folded the side part and front part with the scarf. Trust me, I love this outfit. It's so cute and stylish at the same time, and I don't know, I feel some princessy vibe here. I don't know why, but yeah, it makes me so happy. And especially this pant, I am in love with this pant. Thanks Bonku for giving me this pant. In the look kit, I changed this pant. I'm wearing this black jeans, and in the place of scarf, I'm wearing this light sky blue shirt, which is my baba's, with golden hoops. And this is overall outfit. I love this outfit. Yes, again, it is so me, classy, bold, funky, easy breezy, easy to wear, like effortlessly stylish. All I can say. On the contrary, if you don't feel wearing tonal shades like different hues of same color, you can easily go for contrasting shades like this cream, black, and light sky blue. If we go with my second favorite neutral color, which is black, I am wearing fully black jeans, black bralette, and this shirt. I love to wear this shirt like a top, and yeah, this is the overall outfit. In the look then again I opted for black on black. Here I am wearing a black palazzo and a black shirt, which is very comfortable yet stylish, and finishing it off with a silver watch, and the overall look is done. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. I tried to compile all the informations about neutral colors. I hope you got the details about it. If you still have any kind of query, you can simply DM me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest as well. I'm available on these social media handles. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share with everyone. Do comment which look you love the most, or if you are a neutral color fanatic like me, you can comment below, and do subscribe in case you haven't. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, and live gorgeously.